All right, here we are, 2025 Ivory-Billed Woodpecker, and camoed out, getting ready to do a little exploration. We gotta cover the white face. We gotta do something. So, trick is to apply a little camo paint. It's definitely a little more friendly as far as having to wear a piece of material over your head, a little bit cool. And the whole idea is just to break up your pattern a little bit. So you want to kind of just throw some squigglies on you, and then you're going to fill in with some other colors too. All right, so that's good play. Don't watch the language, man. Don't mess up my video now. All right, so that's a good. Go on some green now. Green. One good thing too is to remember your eyelids, because when you close them, there's a big old white space there. So kind of good to break that up a little bit. Throw in some other. Just throw a little bit on my neck too, a little. So not bad. Maybe not my greatest job, but